So let's try to solve this one. 3 sine squared. Ooh, we need a theta in there. I lose my angles a lot. So 3 sine squared theta plus 2 sine theta minus 5 equals 0 for all solutions. So again, it is a quadratic, so I'm going to go ahead and try to factor in. There's nothing I can pull out this time, so I'm just going to immediately try to put it into two binomials. And instead of x, again, I just have sine theta. So 3 sine theta. Factor these like you normally do if you do it by grouping or however. I usually do it by trial and error. So things, let's see, should end up with a plus 5 here and a minus 1 here, because that would give me a minus 3 and a plus 5, which would give me a positive 2, so that should work. And then I'm going to go ahead and try to solve. So I'm going to have sine theta, 3 sine theta plus 5 equals 0. 3 sine theta equals negative 5. So sine theta equals negative 5 over 3. Oh no! I have no clue, right? Like, that is definitely not one of the ones on my chart. It's not even one of the ones on a unit circle. But look at this real quick. Negative 5 over 3. We said before with cosine that it can only go up to 1 and down to negative 1. So my answer can't be lower than negative 1. Negative 5 over 3 is less than negative 1. It's 1 point something, because 3 goes into 5 one time and leaves stuff left over. So this part has no solution. We are not going to write no solution yet, because we probably have an answer somewhere, but this part has no solution. Okay, so let's do the next one. Sine theta minus 1 equals 0. So sine theta equals 1. Where does sine theta equal 1? It's not off my chart, but if I draw my unit circle, sine is my y, and it's 1 up there. So theta equals pi over 2. So I do have an answer for this, but I only have one answer. The only theta that would work in that equation is going to be pi over 2. But I wanted it for all solutions. So it is pi over 2, but what else am I going to have to do to it? I am going to have to add my 2 pi k to show that it works every single time I go around that circle.